Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the part 2 of that is with the suffix logy, that is studies. So let us see what we have in part 2. Meteorology, that concerning to the weather department, whichever study deals with that. Weights and measurements concerning study is known as metro, that is stone and weights. So that measurement study is metrology. Microscopic organisms, they are everything microbiology because they are microbes. Minute objects, that is microscopy. And the forms and other development of structures study is known as morphology. As you can see, that development structures concerning, that is morphology. Fungi, that is fungus study concerning, that is mycology. This is a little bit important for you guys, please. Fungus concerning, that is mycology. Muscles concerning myology. And as you can see to the right side, how the study of the ants, that is myrmecology. So myrmecology is concerning to the study of ants. What are the different types of ants and what are the characteristics of ant? Next we have the study concerning to the myth, fables and tales concerning is known as mythology. And the study of nose, we knew that rhinology as well as nasology. So study of newborn babies concerning, that is neonatology is the newborn baby study. And nestling birds concerning, whatever the study is known as neosology. As you can see how exactly that nestling of birds and its study. Clouds concerning is known as nephrology, as well as here nephrology and nephrology is different. Clouds concerning nephrology and kidneys concerning nephron, that is nephrology. The functional unit of kidney is nephron, so that is the reason nephrology is kidney and the cloud is nephrology. So please remember the difference. Next we have nervous system concerning, that is neurology is the subject. And we have the study concerning to the nests, that is nidology. So next we have nomology, means the study concerning to the laws, especially of the mind concerning laws, is known as nomology. And the study concerning to the disease is known as nosology. So what are the diseases? And the study concerning to the numbers is known as numerology. As well as the study concerning to the teeth is odontology. The study concerning to the wine is oenology. The science of housekeeping is known as oecology. As well as the sense of smell is olfactorology. So whatever the sense regarding that smell concerning, there are olfactor receptors present in our nose. So that sense concerning olfactology. Next, the study concerning to the rain is known as ombrology. As you can see how exactly the housekeeping concerning study oecology looks like to the right side of this slide. Next we have the study concerning to the tumors, that is known as oncology. There is a oncology department in every hospitals where the tumors concerning study is done. Next we have the study of dreams concerning is known as oneirology. So whatever the dreams, whatever the good or bad thoughts and dreams, that is oneirology. Pure being, the nature of things concerning study, that is ontology. As we have the eggs concerning oology. Please remember eggs concerning oology, which is the study of eggs. Snakes concerning study is known as ophiology. Please remember this is one thing important. Ophio means snake. Ophiology is the study concerning to the snakes. The sight concerning study is known as optology. That is our whatever we are looking, that sight. And birds concerning, we knew that orni means bird. So the study of birds is known as ornithology. The study of mountains is known as orology. Next we have the smells and olfactory process, that study is known as osmology. The bones concerning study is known as osteology. The study concerning to the ear is known as otology. The study concerning to the children is known as pedology. Next we have the study concerning to the fossil is known as paleontology. The study concerning to the paper is known as papyrology. As we have seen that the study concerning to the virgins, that is pathology. The study concerning to the disease is known as pathology. So please remember these are all few important things which ought to be remembered. As we have seen that the study concerning to the soils concerning, that is pedology. the study of rocks, that is petro means rock. The study of rocks, so petrol, what we get from the stones and rocks underground, so that is petrology. And the study of the drugs, that is pharmacology, that pharmacist, that is drugs. So that is, here we have to remember that the study of drugs, pharmacology. And the study of the kissing procedure, that is phallimitology, is the study of kissing. Ancient texts and historical linguistics concerning study is known as philology. Please remember, what is philology? That is concerning to the ancient texts and historical languages and linguistics. So that study is philology. It's a good one. Please remember. Speech sounds, whatever the study is known as phonology. Algae and seaweeds, as you can see underground, we have seaweeds. These kind of algae as well as seaweeds concerning study is known as phycology, and the process of life concerning is known as physiology. So these are very important. Everyone has to remember. I request you guys to check playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers of various examinations. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated into various playlists. Next we have the study, the concerning to the plant and botany, that is phytology. So whatever the plants concerning and botany concerning study is known as phytology, as well as the study concerning the fishes, piscatology. So here you have to remember that pisciculture is, that is fishes concerning whatever the farming. Here piscatology means the study of fishes. The study of wealth is, or political economy, that is plutology. As well as the study concerning to the food growing, as you can see how exactly to the right, how exactly it is growing. So that food growing is known as podology. Science of quantity or dosage is known as posology. The study of rivers is known as potamology, and the study of election results and voting trend, psephology. Please remember this. Psephology is the election results and voting trend concerning. This is very important. You have to remember. Please note it down. Psephology is the election concerning results and voting trend. And the study of ferns is known as pseudology. Next we have pteridology, that is distribution of feathers on birds concerning study is known as pteridology. And the fevers concerning, that is pyritology. And the towers concerning pyrgology, as well as the x-ray concerning and their medical application is known as radiology. We knew that radiology department are present in the hospitals where we will take x-ray and their medical application. So that is radiology is the science. Deformation or flow of matter is known as rheology, and the study of the nose is rhinology. The fleshy parts of the body is known as sarcology, as well as the earthquake concerning study, seismology. Next we have moon concerning study is known as selenology, and the meanings of the words is known as semantology. So here as you can see how exactly the study are concerning to the moon, that is selenology, and meaning of the words, semantics means it's a words. So meaning of the word semantology, meaning and semantics, that is semasiology. As you can see, serums concerning study, serology. The study concerning to the China, that is sinology. The study concerning to the society is known as sociology. The properties of matter is known as somatology, and the study concerning to the ideas are known as sophiology, is the idea of the study of the ideas. So here sophiology is the right one. As you can see, next we have the study concerning to the ghosts, that is spectrology, that is dealing with the ghost. The study concerning to the seeds, spermology. As you can see, seals and cygnets, whatever deals with that, the study is known as sparagistics. And the political parties concerning whatever the studies, that is stasiology. The elements of animal tissue study is known as stoichology, as well as the study concerning to the mouth is known as stomatology. The structure of objects, buildings and landforms study is known as tectonics. As you can see how exactly plate tectonics looks like in different color. The structure of objects and building and landforms are known as tectonics. The collecting of beer mats is known as tegistology. Please remember this. Next we have teleology, that is final causes analysis in terms of purpose. That is teleology. The death and its customs concerning study is known as thanatology. The religious and religious doctrine concerning study is known as theology. The postage stamps concerning study is known as timbrology. Obstetrics and midwifery concerning study is known as tocology. The places and their natural features study is known as topology, and the poisons and concerning whatever the study is known as toxicology. Please remember, this is one thing important. Timbrology is the postage stamps concerning study, and toxicology, toxic means poison, that study is toxicology. Traumatology is wounds and their effects concerning study is known as traumatology. So here the places and their natural features is known as topology. So please remember them, they are very important. Next we have trichology, means the hair and its disorders concerning study is known as trichology. The study of nutrition concerning, that is trophology. The study of blindness and the blind concerning is known as typhology. Please remember here, blindness and the blind is typhology. The typology is the study concerning to the types of things. And we have the alien spacecraft, as you can see, that is unidentified foreign object, UFO we call it as. That alien spacecraft studies are known as unfology. That is very important. So please go through what exactly unfology means. Alien spacecraft concerning study is known as unfology. Descriptive astronomy and mapping concerning study is known as uranography. And the study concerning to the heavens and astronomy, that is uranology. And the study concerning to the cities is known as urbanology. Next we have rust molds concerning study is known as urinology, and the urine and urine tract concerning study is known as urology. The study of worms is known as wormology. The study of the flags are known as vexillology. The scientific study of wines and winemaking is known as vinology. The viruses concerning study is virology. It's very important. So whatever the viruses concerning study is virology. Volcanoes concerning is volcanology. The study concerning to the wood is known as xylology. So which is very important. Xylo means the wood concerning study. Now we have the final slide, that is concerning to the animals, that is zoology. Animal diseases concerning zoopathology or zoonosology. So please remember, zoonosology is the animal disease and zoopathology are also the same thing. Physiology of animals is known as zoophysiology. So here zoo means animals. So remember that in such manner you have to get that. Joining and fastening concerning, that is zygology. So please remember, whatever joining and fastening concerning, that study is zygology. Fermentation is one thing, that concerning study is called zymology. So these are the few things which I had compiled from different books. So I request you guys to share it to your friends. I request you guys to call me on 7666730252 if you want 2100 PDF of GK and GS for a free of cost. It's a 12 pages. It's very nice. You can take the printout and you can go through. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.